Hello, fellow Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Yes, to millions of Biafrans all over the world, I want to assure you, I want to double assure you that Biafra is coming. Make no mistake about it, Biafra is coming in glory. Just watch what is going to happen in the days to come. Every mistake of the zoo is advancing the restoration of Biafra. Every single mistake that the zoo makes is advancing our cause. As you can see, this message is for those of you who do not believe that Biafra is coming, and for those of you who are doubting it may or it may not. But I want to tell you today that Biafra restoration is a done deal. And the zoo, under this current leadership of APC, is advancing the restoration of Biafra with speed. With speed. The zoo went to Kenya and kidnapped Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Today, as I speak, the wrath of the entire world is upon the zoo. The wrath of the world is upon the zoo. They cannot escape it. Investigations have started. How can the zoo escape it? And this tells you all you need to know. If the zoo can kidnap Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and tortured him in Kenya, what are they doing to ordinary Biafrans? They are killing them. And the world knows. The world is taking notes. The records are there. So all those who have died in the course of agitation for the restoration of Biafra did not die in vain. No, they did not die in vain. Their blood is crying to God, and God is answering our prayers. But some of you do not know. For those of you who cannot read the right handwriting on the wall, let me assure you once again that Biafra restoration is a done deal. Yes, it is coming. Have you seen the Southeast governors who has been telling us all sort of lies? They are now saying a different thing. You had David Umay the other time calling Mazen Nnamdi Kanu our brother. When he went to adoration ministry, he said that the governors are doing something serious to see that our brother is released. Now, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu have become their brother. But remember, this Southeast governors was the first to proscribe Ipob. They are the first. Because they were dancing to the tune of their colonial masters, their slave masters, the caliphate. Now they are seeing the handwriting on the wall. More truths will be revealed in due time. Go nowhere. Always pay attention to what is happening. What is Ohaneze doing? Is it not the same Ohaneze that said that IPOB is putting the Igbo tribe in danger? Today, what are they saying? They are calling Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the anointed one. They are calling him our son, our son, our son. Have you seen how the rejected stone have become the chief cornerstone? This is the word of God. There is nothing you can do to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. He's anointed and he's ordained to restore Biafra, that the children of God might serve God in the holy land of Biafra. Remember, history keeps repeating itself. What is happening today has happened before. The children of Israel went through the same process. And we, the Biafrans, the children of Israel again, we are also going through the same process. It is a good news what is happening to the zoo. The zoo is crying. The zoo is bleeding blood. The zoo is disintegrating. Wise men in the zoo have risen up and they have spoken. You heard Sanusi, what he said, the former governor of the central bank of the zoo. He said that if the zoo disintegrates, that Buhari should be held responsible, of course. The man is showing the world that he hates Igbos, not knowing that he's aiding the restoration of Biafra. His wickedness against Igbos have gone to high heavens, and the world have seen his nakedness. Buhari is dancing naked. There is no place to hide anymore. Everything, all the atrocities against Biafran nation is in the open. You can't hide it. It's in the open, and the world have seen it. Now the world have seen the injustices done to the Igbos. They are the ones saying it. ICC is on him. The International Criminal Court is on the officials of the zoo. The thousands of souls they killed in Biafra land, they must account for it. Operation Python Dance 1, Operation Python Dance 2, Operation Python Dance 3, and the new dawn. All these are military operations to eliminate innocent, unarmed civilian Biafrans. And they thought nobody saw what happened. But the world knew. The world kept record. Now the world is talking. And the zoo is boiling. Yes, the zoo is boiling. So for my brothers and sisters, you have lost someone during all this fracas. Your loss was not in vain, for Biafra will be restored. And as our leaders said, and continue to say, that we will sacrifice everything sacrificable to make sure that Biafra is restored. God is on our side, and we are winning the war. We are already winning the war. Look at ordinary Anambra election, what is happening. Even when Ipob never said that election will not hold. What Ipob declared is a sit down. It's a lockdown of Biafra land. Ipob never said that elections will not hold. We are not interested in elections. But the zoo is boiling. For a small state like Anambra, the zoo have deployed over 34,000 police, military, and all of that. Sorry for that little altercation. So the zoo is boiling. And let us see how that election will go, because people will be sitting at home. Who is going to vote? They said they will bring prisoners to vote. And I know that the military and the police will also wear mufti, camouflage, and also vote. Biafrans are no more interested in any election in Biafra land. What we want is referendum. Only referendum and nothing more. So we plead to the international community, we plead to United Nations and world leaders to please come to the aid of Biafrans, soften the sufferings of Biafrans, and fasten our suffering, fasten our freedom by giving us a referendum. Thank you so much. God bless you, fellow Biafrans. We move.